Hey, Francesca, do you know how is chocolate made?
Not exactly, but I know it starts at some process. How about if we try the chocolate?
Yeah.
So good. How about if we ask the magic shoes to take us somewhere where we can learn how to make chocolate?
Yeah, cheers.
So right now we're here in the Lindt Chocolate Factory, and we're gonna give you a tour of it. This is where it all starts, with cacao trees. I got to learn the history of chocolate from hundreds of years ago. I wasn't expecting this. They had a huge table showing us how our ancestors prepared chocolate. It wasn't always like we know it now today. They showed us the ingredients to make cacao nowadays. Cacao mass, cocoa liquid, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder. Then, chocolate fountains. 3 of them. Milk, dark, and white chocolate. My favorite was the dark chocolate fountain. It was so good. It's warm. They also showed us how chocolate bars and individual pieces are made at the Lindt factory. And then, this super cool dispenser that gives you a chocolate square every time you put your hand underneath. There are different flavors, some with salt and others with almonds. So fun! I wish I had one of those at home. Unlimited chocolate. This map of Switzerland gave us a great perspective of where all the different chocolate brands come from throughout the years. Now I get why they call Switzerland the chocolate country. At the end of the museum, I got to try different flavors of the most popular Lindt chocolate balls. I'm sure you've seen it. But I had never seen so many flavors, only here at the Lindt Chocolate Factory. The pink raspberry was my favorite. I'm going to take some home for my uncle. Then we walk down a hallway where this golden ball rolls through obstacles. It was so fun to watch. Surprise! surprise! We got another chocolate square. Right after, we were invited to a Lindt Top Chef class to learn how to make the world famous Dubai-inspired chocolate. Yes, we got so excited. The chef gave us instructions.
For the decoration part, we're going to start with decorating with this cacao butter. It is tender. It means that we don't have too much time to work with this. Maybe a couple of minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, and we all need to work with the same batch in those 2-3 minutes.
Now for the fun part.
It's hard.
Adding the chocolate.
Full ladle inside. Now we have roughly 10 seconds. I tap and I tilt the form. As you can see, I let the chocolate drip outside a little bit just to be sure that it's covering all the sides properly. And something like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we turn it upside down. Now I let it fall, not coming out because the forms are cold. I can start tapping, not too hard, and now I start to look from here, like trying to estimate the thickness of the shell. It looks a bit thick to me, maybe a little more tapping, tiny bit more. And I reckon that should be roughly 3 millimeters. Now I turn it up.
Guess what? Yep, you're right. The battery died. But thank goodness my mom's phone was full charge. Anyway, the chef gave us a topping. The topping we had to spread on the chocolate bar. It smells so delicious. Perfect. Then they poured another layer of chocolate and placed it in the freezer.
You all got the set for the packaging, the carrying bag and those bags, cardboard and the small sticker. Those you just open like this, and then when you need to close them, just push this inside and you have a handle. Also bring all the way inside, flip it over, and now it's closed. First of all, and yeah, those as a present from us, and then you can also compare which one is better. Of course, yours is much better.
Finally, he gave us back our chocolate bar so we could keep them ourselves. Look at mine. It's so pretty. Honestly, this factory felt like being inside the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. So magical, so delicious, and so fun. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Whoa.
We're back.
Uncle, we bought you a chocolate.
You guys brought me what?
A chocolate.
A chocolate?
Yeah, here you go.
Oh! Fun Kids USA!
Wait.
He's not letting me do it.
Wait.
Let me do it.
Ah,
Okay, no, we don't fight, okay? One and one.
I was doing
You can do it and then you can do it. We can take turns.
it. Turns.
Ahorita que se
Turns.
acabe, it can be your turn.
No. Mama, you're gonna post that on YouTube?
Yeah, like so we see how you fight.
5,
It's your line.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, Francesca.